Today I'm heading to the Tsinandali Estate, which apparently is a huge park, a palace, a hotel. It's the place where the first ever corked bottle of wine was produced in Georgia. According to Google Maps, it's either closed or open. There are 2 points on the map, one says it's open, one says it's closed. Oh, believe it or not, this is the new bus station. What the hell? So this estate was built in the 19th century and once belonged to the Georgian poet Alexander Chavchavadze. It looks pretty open to me. Wow, it looks like it's a pretty big place. A little tip for you. So when I looked on Google Maps and it said that this place was closed on Sundays, on the Wanderlust website it said it's open daily, including Mondays, because Mondays is normally the place where museums close. I basically had a look at Get Your Guide, and so if they were doing tours here, which they were, including on Sundays, so I thought, well, if they're doing tours here, then it must be open. I was thinking. So I'm presuming this is the museum then. It did say that only 25 people at a time could be in the museum. I don't know if that still applies. Let's go and take a look. Well, it is only like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but it's a Sunday, so it's a day of relaxation. And yeah, so here we go. Some wine that was made right here. Now, I'm not going to be pretentious and pretend I know what I'm talking about when it comes to wine, but it tastes good enough to me. So you're not allowed to film or take photos inside, which is a shame because the place was really beautiful inside. All there is to do now is just to walk around the grounds, see if there's anything else. So there's lots more buildings just behind the museum, but I think this is actually a hotel. I think it's at Radison. Look at the building, look at the plants outside. It's amazing. You can go onto the rooftop up there, look. Beautiful. Lovely gardens. Got tennis courts over here. It's not bad. The old Radison Blu Hotel. It's pretty nice. I bet it costs more than £11 a night, which is what I'm paying. Okay. I'm actually really impressed with this estate. See what they've done with all the old buildings and renovated them and turned them into, I guess, restaurants and bars. It's a beautiful place. Here it looks like they have events on, maybe even concerts. What a venue. Somebody just closed this door whilst I was climbing down them stairs. I hope I can just push it open. I've no idea what this is. Okay, doesn't appear to be anything. It's just where they keep their signs for different parts of the area. Wow, I just spotted something over there that looks amazing. Well, from a distance, I thought this was Lenin. It would make sense to have an old head of Lenin dumped in the corner of this estate. It's so random, and I've not heard of anyone mentioning this at all. Are there more discoveries to be found in the corners of this park? What's this? Little remains of an old church, the looks of it. Looks like half the church has just fallen away because there's just nothing but a big drop down here. So I've just asked the security guards on the way out. They didn't speak any English, so I showed him a photo and I said, "Is this Lenin?" And he said, "Yeah, it's Lenin." But I don't think they knew that it was in that park, which is just incredible. They work here and they didn't seem to know. Now all I've got to do is try and find a marshrutka that will take me back to Telavi, because it's about a 2 hours walk and it's all along the main road, so I don't particularly fancy doing that. So I'm just going to leave here, stand at the side of the road and just flag down the first marshrutka that comes. I'm guessing every marshrutka that passes here is going to Telavi, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Fingers crossed. The mountain range is just so visible today. For the past few days you've hardly been able to see it because of the low clouds, but they're out today. So I think what I might do is head to the bar in the park, and because that offers amazing views, have some food, have a few beers. It's a Sunday, it's time to relax, chill out. First I've got to find myself a bus and hope this dog's not going to attack me. Hey, don't you start. Are you friendly, dog, or what? Eh? Are you friendly? Come on. Come on. I've just seen a guy cross the road and sort of putting his hand out for everything. There is actually a bus coming here now, so hopefully this will take me to Telavi. Let's see. Telavi? Perfect. Well, the views of the mountain are much clearer today, and I've just had some trout and vegetables and it was really nice. So now I'm going to have a few beers, not too many because I'm travelling tomorrow, and just, yeah, enjoy the beautiful view.